I think this could be the Anser. Hank here for Free Podcast Tools, and I have to give credit for this one to Mark Johansson from podcastgeargroup.org, which forwards to a Facebook group. In it, he posted what could be, pun intended, the answer to the SM7B needing more gain than many other microphones. He posted this in the group the other day, and it is a website called trumanaudio.com, and they make Anser. It is a SM7B specific preamp. Now, what's neat about this one is that it installs into the back of the SM7B microphone. So when you use a Cloudlifter, you have to have a second cable, one with the mic running to the Cloudlifter, and then another cable with the Cloudlifter running into your audio interface, getting 48 volts phantom power. On some mics, when you use a FET head, you can just stick it in the back of the microphone. I'm not sure how that would work out on the 7B, just because of the positioning of where you plug the XLR cable into. But if you're already incurring a cost of having to have a second cable, if you're using a Cloudlifter, and then the Cloudlifter itself, this $129 solution could be a good option for you. They give you the option of buying Anser as a fully assembled kit, and it's ready to install in the back of your SM7B. So the package includes the preamp and a backplate and requires soldering 6 wires. Plus it has switches on it so you don't lose that functionality of the switches. But it says it provides 25 dB of transparent gain for a lower noise floor on recordings, and phantom power is still required. It has a true bypass for normal operation, no phantom power required, of course, and then the original SM7B high-pass filter and presence boost switches work with it. So you can install the Anser on your pre-owned SM7B with easy-to-follow instructions, or you can send yours in for $150, and they'll do a 24-hour turnaround once they receive the microphone, Monday through Friday, business days, and then they offer free shipping back to you. You pay only after receiving return tracking number and photo confirmation. The invoice is $150 via PayPal. And they also offer buying a pre-installed one for $549, so you'd get the microphone and then the Anser SM7B preamp pre-installed. That'd be for $549. So if you don't already own the microphone, that's a good option. If you do own the microphone and you want to do it yourself, $129. Or if you own the mic and you want to send it in, $150. I had never heard of this one before, so when Mark posted this, I was blown away, and I told him I was using this for a YouTube video because this is a company that Shure should just go buy. If this works the way it looks like it does, Shure should acquire this company, and problem solved. They would have the 2022 prediction that I made that they'll make their own Cloudlifter type device. They could kill 2 birds, 1 stone, make me right, and solve this issue. They leave a lot of money on the table, and they send them to all these other device manufacturers when Shure could just provide their own product in-house, and this would be a great way to do it. Even if they started to produce them with this already included, and if they could get that price maybe just a little less than $549, maybe to $500 even, that would be amazing. But if you enjoyed this video, please like it and comment down below. Do you think this could be, pun intended, the answer for Shure's preamp needs? Would you do this to your Shure SM7B? Or if you were going to buy one, would you buy it with this installed? Chime in down in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video out there. Thank you.